Hello guys, welcome to Lolly's channel. How are you doing? We thank God for yet another opportunity to be in the kitchen to cook. To Him alone be all the glory. Do you want to learn how to cook this EFO RIRO? Let's do it together. Okay, for my EFO RIRO, I'm going to be using vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice, either water leaf, either ugu, either. Um, but today I'm going to be using spinach because this is what I can get around me here. So here I have my Scotch bonnet pepper. I have onions, bell pepper, and ginger blended and boiled. Please check out for that video. It has been up to ease it. I did this during the summer and now it's winter time and I'm still using it. You can preserve it in your freezer and you use it whenever it helps the work. It makes your work easy. Then I have in here, I have my goat meat, boiled and hair fried. So, and I have my broth from my goat meat, and here I have my I have dry fish, dry fish, one onion blended, one onion blended. I have my seasoning, salt to taste, iru, locust bean, cow food. I have the um, dry fish, and I have the panla, which is called stockfish. My panla with stockfish. So that is all we're going to be using for this recipe. Let's get into it. God bless you. So you can't do this cooking without your palm oil. So put your pot on as usual. Pour in your palm oil. Allow your palm oil to get hot. So you're going to go in with your onion. Allow it to simmer. You can hear the bubbling. So you can see, hear the bubbling of your onions. So the next thing, we're going in with our pepper blended. Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, bell pepper, ginger. So I'm going to be covering it and allow it to boil. So now let's check it up. We're already having some oil, but we still need to allow it to fry on a low heat. So I'm going to turn off my heat a little, put in my iru, to be pouring in my crayfish. Maybe it's locust day. Sorry, I said that. So pour in crayfish. So I'm going to cover it up for 2 more minutes. So let's see what is cooking. Voila! See it up is dry on a low heat. So now I'm going to be adding my stockfish. I'll be adding my dry fish. I'm adding my cow food. And I will add in my goat meat. My so for all of this, I'll add in my broth. I'll add in a little water. Add in my seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'm using a goat meat seasoning. So I will allow them to combine together, to cook together, to marinate together. Let's give it, let's allow it. I'll cover it up, turn up my fire again to allow it to get heated together. So we'll leave it for the next 20 minutes so that everything can have a good combined and our liquid should have run out. A pot of EFO RIRO. Let's dish it out. Hmm. See. Wow. You can see everything combined together. Everything. Wow. Want to learn how to cook? Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Share. Subscribe. In this family, we cook. Wow. Eating healthy is a good business. Look at it. You're invited for lunch. Anytime, just come to Texaloniki. Okay. Thank you.